La, may mga tambayo sa kanto, mga kahubode. Lintay ng pulis ha. Maka kayo, kala nyo ha. Pinas lang. La, mga
So this is the Cove Rotana here in Ras Al Khaimah. As you can see, para siyang Santorini yung style ng mga bahay or ng mga villa. And then yan, may mga nagsiswimming sa beach. Punta na si Lance dito sa sandbar. Yan, may sandbar pala dito. Nasa pinakagitna kami ng dagat, so yung part na yon malalim na doon, pero dito siyang malawak na sandbar.
Go straight. There. It's like different areas. Where? This is the fogging. I think there's a valley.
Yeah.
There is a valley.
The first one was ditch the car.
Yeah.
Where is the
Just go.
in here?
I think, yeah. Oh yeah.
Saan na tayo? Cove Rotana here in Ras Al Khaimah. Yan. So, yung init. The beach. Yeah, there's marami tayong pwede puntahan na na pools, beach. So tinatamad na sila sa umalis. So, Dragon versus Eagle. Diba? Pwede ka pa nga pala mag-scooter dito. Ay!
Ate, pakita mo yun sa camera.
Get them to find outside. That's best. I'm serious. 176. I'm 167.
malapit tayo.
Malapot. Oo,
Dito tayo dati.
Kaya nga. Yan yung malapot sa akin.
Yung may malapit na bar.
Pero malalim yan, di ba?
Yes, yeah, for adults only.
That's so good.
Yan yung love pool na. Love pool ito.
Oh. Nakita yan ni Guido?
Hindi, hindi tayo dito naman kanina.
These are all the villas.
Hindi ba tayo ni Korea?
Wow. Oh, yung nakita ni
Love pool yun, yung kanina dinaanan natin. Ang lansa.
Yan yung dagat na hinahanap mo na. Wow.
tayo bukas na umaga mag-ano.
Kakatamaran na naman yan. Slide. Water slide. Yeah,
Maganda ngayon ang beach yun.
O sige, bukas na lang after breakfast, yung water slide. So from...
Before breakfast, mapagutom.
Okay, sige, beach na lang. Okay, tomorrow ang water slide na, love. Okay? So you can play much in the beach at the beach today.
So, for this weekend, may unbooked a 3-bedroom villa here in Cove Rotana. We are in Ras Al Khaimah. So this is the view from the upper bedroom. And since it's gonna be Ate's birthday next month, advanced birthday celebration for Ate. Alright, so this is the upper bedroom. This is gonna be their bathroom. And then closets are here, and they have their own coffee and water heater. So everything's complete already here in the upper room. Okay, our neighbors. So we're going to the next bedroom. So this is their closet. Here. 2 single beds. And they have their own living room, living area. Lance will sleep here in the couch. And then they have their own balcony here. Ay, nakalock. Mamaya na natin buksan. And they have their own balcony. Moving on to the other room. Okay, food is ready. Let's see the other. Oh, there's a big walk-in closet. And then the bathroom. Ito lang yung bathroom na may bathtub. The rest wala. Because honestly, you won't need the bathtub kasi yeah, this is the king bed, king size bed. And right outside your balcony is your own private pool. So that's it. So we're staying here for one night. We're going home tomorrow. Ciao.
Sugat na naman yung ilong. Where are you going, La Pachera?
Ha? Ucap tayo na? Oh.
yung labas ng Almanar Mall. Okay din eh. Maganda siguro to during sunset or winter. Pero ngayong summer, Diyos ko, nakakatunaw. It's 5:30. Tirik na tirik yung araw. So, walang tao. Walang tao dito sa labas. Ako lang. Pero maganda siya. I think this is a good spot pag winter or even nighttime. Kasi may zoom in. Yeah, this one is illuminated. It's an illuminated walk path. Noise.
A few moments later.
I mean, sobrang init. Hindi ko magamit yung dala kong camera. Ito. Wala. Nag-moist lang yung lens. So, sobrang init dito ngayon sa Ras Al Khaimah. And hinahabol natin yung sunset. It's sunset na yun. Time na ba? It's almost 6. So, we're gonna go to the beach. Ito lang yung ano namin, villa. So it's right in front of the beach, and luckily this side of the beach on the east, walang masyadong tao. Yan. Karamihan ng guests, I guess, is nandun sa west side ng beach. Doon yung may bar. So, join us as we do some beach activities kung meron pa. I was planning to go kayaking kasi lang. If we go kayaking kasi, hindi na siya pwede ng dark na. So, sayang, di ba? So, baka bukas ng umaga na lang. Or tanong pa rin natin, tingnan natin. Last time we did it kasi mga ganitong oras din naman.
Where are you going? You checked naman na baby naman. Where are you going? Wow, look at the sun. Ate, ipaharap mo siya. Sun, doon ipaharap mo siya. Para makita niya yung sun. Yay! Kaya nga, sabi ko sa'yo. Ay, Jess! Hello! Wow! Look at the sun! Nauna na. Wow! Hi! Hi!
Lipad yan, wala palang garter yan.
Hello! Wow! Mukha kang pirata! Oh! Oh, we are at the beach now. Ay, them! They're playing volleyball. That's Chad. Wow. Yeah.
Mag-family picnic ay sa may sunset, ay sa may
Papa, puro moist yung lens ng camera.
Bakit? Kukuha doon.
Doon yung towel sa gitna.
Magre-request. You have to request the towel there. Wait, I'm gonna get. Ayun o, doon. Wow! Ha? Hi! Sige na, ako na kukuha.
you and Mary get
No, I'll get. Ako na. No, I will get. Ayan mo siya.
Madami siya.
No, I'll get. No need? Only for Sophia. Yeah. Yes. I did. Okay. Where's Papa? Bye! Sophia! Yay! Yay! Itsura! Sura, itsura!
Not your face, hè. Papa, brilletje af. Jij gelijk weer lachen. Nee, blij dat je papa... Blij dat je papa weer kan zien, hè. Lekker, hè. Lekker in de warme watertjes. Oh, jee, je hebt het goed in de zwemmen laten. I know she can wear without the foot free.
Asan si Marlon, ma?
Did you put the diapers again? Hey. Hey, you didn't have a diaper, no?
Hi, bilisan mo! Swim! Wait. Woo.
Later.
Yan ang Cinnamon Restaurant. Diyan yung buffet dinner. Nilakad ko lang sila naghintay sila ng sasakyan. Hindi naman siya malayo. Ano lang 10 minutes. Problem is yung talagang sobrang init. Yun. Uy, may barbecue. Nice.
Asa loob na daw si Marlon, may table na. Andoon. This. Punta na doon. Go inside na. There's a table na here. Oh, there's lentil soup. Ano, nakakuha ka ng pasta? Ang tagal-tagal mo.
Tagal-tagal. Pero,
Wow. Squid. Oriental squid. tulog ka na.
Ubos. Busog.
La, may mga tambayo sa kanto, mga kahubode. Lintay ng pulis ah. Maka ano kayo, kala nyo ah. Pinas lang. La, mga ano, tambay sa kanto. Walking, going back to our room. After dinner, what? No, go home na. After dinner, we're walking back to the room. Sila ate nagbuggy. Kami nagpapatunaw ng kinain. Ano? Oo, kaya nga dyan nga sabi ni Chad, ano pa naman to? Ang tawag term doon, patukad. Bakit nga?
Pero mas madali kasi pakit kaysa pababa.
Ah.
Kasi pagbababa, gugulong.
Wuh. La, sino tong batang nakaubad? Ano yan? Papa said, I'll take a picture of you then I'll send to Gianna.
To prove my point earlier. Yeah.
What was your point? Bakit ang linaw? Hindi nga ako pinagpapawisan eh. Ah! Imbes na hindi ako pawis. Kitang-kita sa video yung pawis mo.
Ano naman?
So,
Baba, papasokin niyo sa bahay ah.
makabuksan yung pinto. Alo, naghintay tayo.
Day 2.
Time check, 6... Ano na ba? 6:15 na. 5 o'clock ako nagising. So, unfortunately, yung beach daw, 7 AM pa nila i-allow mag-swimming. So, breakfast muna tayo dito at magkakape. Good morning! Ano na, 6:35. So, manggigising na tayo. Kasi 7 o'clock pa din na mag-swimming doon sa beach. So, tayo ay manggigising. Ano na? Good morning! Bangon na. Grabe ang lamig dito. Super lamig ko yun. Punto na rin. Alam mo naman. Tara na! Kape ba kayo? May mga nagtatawag na sa baba. Naka-ready na ba kayo?
Yay! We're going swimming again!
Ay, buti naman naalala mo dalhin yan. Yung mga bulaklak. 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 Ang konti pa lang tao sa beach. Mga tinamad mag ano. Tinamad mag gising ng maaga. Meron po. Alagay na beach closed. Beach closed. Doon tayo sa kabila. Baka hindi closed sa kabila. Yan yung wala kahapon, oh, yung mga alon. Hindi masyado maalon kahapon.
It's a good exercise, love. Good exercise. Yun yung dalawa, swim. Si Mother Deer and si Marlon. Sila, ano pa lang.
Meron palang sandbar dito. Kasi tignan nyo. Ay, iPhone nga pala to. Hindi pwede mag-switch bigla. Ayun yung beach sa likod namin. Hindi rin pwede mag-zoom. Paano ang iPhone? Gago!
Wow! Ay! Wow! Ah, sige na, punta na kayo doon. Go! Ay! Swim! Yay! Sophia! Hi!
Mula na yung mailong niya. Ma, yung mata mo, yung kamay mo din naman, basa.
Mm.
Ayan, ayan.
Naalatan.
Go! Bu! Bu! Woo. Okay. We're going to the slide. Wanna go to the slide?
So we're here in the another pool. Dito yan sa Cove Rotana. And dito dapat tayo sa Aquafun. Yon. What do you call this? Sa mga slides. And there's this big slide dapat na gusto namin i-try. Although we tried it before when we first came here. Kaso lang, 10:30 pa. 10:30 pa ang bukas niya. It's only 8:30 now. So, dito na lang kami sa pool. Yeah, pero tong pool is walang tao. As you can see. It's Saturday morning. It's Sunday morning. Pero walang tao. So, dito meron siyang how many pools? How many slides? 3 kinds. So ito yung parang beginner lang. May 3 pang mga bata. Yung may medium, yung blue. And then yung green yung mas mahaba. Sayang. Late siya nagbubukas, 10:30.
Okay, solo ang pool. There's another pool there. Hi, Uncle. Hyperlens. Hi, love. And Mud Deer Deer. And
Pinitipon sa taas. Dapat pa lang ganitong pool lang.
oo nga, walang ano. Gusto nyo ba lumipat doon? And now breakfast. It's breakfast time. Yes. Omelette. Croissant.
Yeah, that's it. Well, not as much as volleyball.
Eating al fresco
Sorry, take a picture.
because we're wet.
And Ate, Guido, and Sophia are not ready. It's much better view pala here. I'll take a picture. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
The first one.
Yeah. Take a picture. This is our food. Then, inagawan si Lance ng coke. Tagal naman nila, ate.
Hindi naman sila dito.
But the thing is, Raven is considered better than
We're
Chef.
eating outside kasi basa kami.
But at first,
Yay! Now we are complete.
No, this is for you. No, this is for you.
And there is Sophia Grace here. Balance, balance. Wawa. Han. Uncle, can you show Sophia? Naka-video to. Naka-video. Ganyan mo lang. Show Sophia. Lagi ng mata. Lagi ng eyes.
Yay! Love!
Kiss mo na sa po.
Yeah.
There's still a sandbar.
Where?
Yeah, no, there always is. There always is a sandbar.
This is where we stayed before when we were
Where?
No. Here. Here. In front of this love pool. This is the love pool. This is the bar. It's a nice bar.
There's fish. Ano ba yan yung mukha? Natutok naman.
Simang.
Suke.
Wala, grabe ka naman.
Okay, got it. No, this is more uncomfortable. What is this?
Binabalik na. I-edit mo na. Balik na.
Mahirapan pa ang mag-edit eh.
Nah.
Kaya tayo mag-switch.
I don't think
AI na
so.
lang. So we're checking out. It's just pack up our stuff. So very essential when traveling. Gotta have some action figures. And so for this travel, ang dala ko is Black Panther, Namor, and shoot, can forget. I can't remember their names. Yun nga, checking out here in Cove Rotana, here in Ras Al Khaimah. Nasulit namin. Ang nangyari, we booked yun nga, the 3-bedroom villa with the private pool, beachfront. All in all, it cost 3,080 dirhams. Wala pa siyang 3,100 including tax and all fees. That is half board. So we had breakfast earlier and we had dinner last night. There's an option to upgrade na lunch, breakfast, dinner, including unlimited drinks, including alcoholic drinks, yung house beverage and everything, for only additional 155 per person. Pero madami kami, so nag-opt out na kami doon. Total may mga bawa naman kaming food. So yun, this is a nice staycation. It's already almost 2:30. We checked in yesterday around 1 o'clock, 1:30, between 1 to 1:30. More than 24 hours na. So yeah, I think sulit siya. And we'll see you in the next one. We're going somewhere that we haven't been before this summer. So just wait for that vlog if we have time and memory in my laptop to make those videos. But yeah, thanks for watching and see ya. Ciao.